and be as firm as possible. Meaning, I'm gonna slowly push. I'm gonna slowly push down on it.
Do you know what this is about?
No, I have
It is
no
about.
idea.
This is gonna hopefully balance you better. Make you stronger and balance you.
Like everyone else here has done it,
Yeah.
and we all believe
I'm
it.
already wobbling.
So, anyways, I'm gonna push down on it slowly, and eventually you're gonna tip over. But be stiff, so that eventually you will tip over. Don't like slouch or. Okay.
So resist.
So just resist. Okay.
Yeah. Come here.
Okay. Didn't take much to tip you over, right? Okay. Put this on. You're ready. Okay. Same resistance. Same thing again, right?
Oh wait, my hand let go.
Yeah, it didn't work. You gotta hold on. One more thing. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. Put on another one. Okay, same resistance. Okay, same resistance. Okay. Oh! Oh!
Wow!
The proof is in the pudding. So we're trying to trick you with this, because people wanted to see if that's actually legit.
Oh.
And this didn't work at all.
Wow.
And you didn't even know what to expect.
Wow.
There you go. Right there. Only for $159 from Hong Kong, baby.
That would be the pricey, right?
Well, it's too big for you. So you need a smaller size. You need a small. This is a medium.
Okay, so we believe it.
Yeah. So on eBay.
Do you believe it now?
Hong Kong.
Or Christina's fraud? Just kidding.
No, she was looking at it.
Yeah,
I think if it's the material in there, I believe it.
No, but then
But if it's just